is up? If you're watching my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. Guaranteed to put you to sleep. I'm out here riding with Bob. We're taking a ride around by the Sussex County Airport. And this is where cows just stand in the middle of the road. They don't actually move, they just stand there. We were just at a car show and I witnessed an atrocity that I feel I need to speak to somebody about. And you're saying, what the hell could be so damning that he'd make a video about it? Well, I'm gonna tell you. I witnessed someone put ketchup on a hot dog. You don't do that. Ketchup does not belong on hot dogs. Nah, I'm kidding. You can put ketchup on your hot dog. Had a bomb-ass garlic spicy pickle from Jersey Girl Pickles there. Phenomenal. Oh, god damn, I forgot to hold my breath. It friggin' stinks like cow manure. Yum. Speaking of cow manure, that brings us to today's topic. That's right. You've been waiting this whole video to hear the topic. Well, there is none. We're just gonna take a nice ride and enjoy the scenery, which is Sussex, New Jersey. What's that, Big Sheila? You want to go faster? Oh. Well, we can. But here's some cows. Bob is keeping his distance because Bob knows garlic pickles equal gas. And if you like gas, make sure you give this video the thumbs up or leave a comment. This has to be one of the nicest dealers I've ever driven by for, oh, it's a towing. Oh, well then. Guess you never know. You can't do that in a car. I mean, look at this. Somewhere out there, Mary Poppins is dancing around to a DMX song. I love it up here. We didn't make it to the airport, but that'll be for a different day. Older BMW K whatever sitting there. Let's see if the ducks are still out over here. I don't know if it's a sanctuary or rehabilitation or something right here. I'm not going to be able to see. It's all, the bushes are all up. I mean, hell, you can just take this road down, hook a right, ride 565. This area is fantastic for riding. I mean, like again, the scenery is... But that is, all joking aside, the topic of today's video. Scenery. Does it make or break the ride? I mean, sometimes I'm just happy to ride my bike, even if it's like especially in the winter when it's like high 30s, low 40s, you get on the bike, 2-mile ride. Puts a smile on my face, but I am a firm believer that scenery only adds to the ride. I mean, you see something incredible geography-wise. One, your IQ goes up, if you didn't know that. Anytime you go somewhere in there, you learn about the geography and stuff like that. You see something visually, your IQ goes up because you know something about an area you didn't know before. But two, I mean, honestly think this is like relaxing. You come out here and clear your mind, center your inner chi. You become the immortal Iron Fist. Don't you do it. Put the dampener on here. It's so weird, the phone feels so loose. Of course I put the dampener on and it's over like 1 millimeter too much. Hey bud, there's something hanging out of your car door. Buddy just bought a Ford Maverick. Congratulations, Anthony. You deserve it, bud. You also deserve a knuckle sandwich. Nah, I'm just playing. Maybe just a slap on the ass. Smoke on the water creeping in there. What a beautiful day. The wind calmed down and perfect temp. Ride with Bob. Ken was with us before. I mean, it's not often you get to go out and, you know, you have one dude's got a cool ass car and we're all just having a good time. And